One of the benefits of your Rotary membership is access to all of the courses in the Rotary Learning Center. There are two ways to get to the Learning Center. You can go to rotary.org/learn and log in, or you can log into your account with my Rotary or rotary.org. So here I've logged in, I've signed in, and I get to this homepage. Under Knowledge and Resources, click on the chevron, Rotary Tools, and click on Learning Center. So once you get to the Learning Center, you'll find a lot of courses that are organized in blocks. So let's say we're going to look for one on Foundation Basics. We can search for that course by either typing it in the search box and looking for the title of your course, or you can click on the About Rotary box and find that. So here's the search box, Foundation Basics. Okay. And then you get all of the subjects that are with Rotary Foundation Basics. You click on that to get to your course. Okay. The other way is to go to the box and look for the course you're looking for. So under About Rotary, view courses, and here's Rotary Foundation Basics. So let's start that course. The course you will come up and you look for either enroll or start your course. And here are the courses starting. And then you go through the all of the pages here. So here are the pages. And then when you're done, you get to the summary. Okay. And it says, when you're done, close this out by Xing the top. So when you're finished with the course, X the top, and then you'll come up with the evaluation. The evaluation will ask you some questions, and when you get to the end of the evaluations, it will give you a thank you message. Once you hit that page with a thank you message, the course is completed. And then if you need to get the certificate, you can download your certificate right here and print it out if you need it. Now, there are so many courses in the Learning Center. Please take advantage of this resource for you and go through the courses that you'd like to see. There's courses on public image, on service, on foundation. There are Toastmaster courses in professional development. So you can see their communication skills, their sessions on leadership basics, and a whole lot more. So please take advantage of the Learning Center and take those courses at your leisure. If you haven't completed the courses, you can always go back and resume. Okay, I hope you are getting a lot from the Learning Center. Have fun.